Crunchyroll Activate. Crunchyroll requires activation when signing in on certain streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, Fire Stick, and game consoles. This process links your Crunchyroll account to your device, allowing you to stream anime seamlessly. Activation is quick and involves entering a code from your device on the Crunchyroll website. 1. When activation is required. You need to activate Crunchyroll when using Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Android TV. PlayStation, PS4 TOS, PS5, and Xbox One TOS Series XS, some smart TVs and streaming devices. 2. How to activate Crunchyroll on your device. Step 1. Install the Crunchyroll app from the device's App Store. Step 2. Open the Crunchyroll app and select Log In. Step 3. An activation code will appear on the screen. Step 4. On a web browser, go to www.crunchyroll.com/activate. Step 5. Sign in to your Crunchyroll account. Step 6. Enter the activation code from your device and click Activate. Step 7. Your device will refresh and you can start streaming. 3. Troubleshooting activation issues. Invalid code, refresh the activation page or restart the app to get a new code. App not working, ensure your device has the latest software updates. Still can't activate? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Crunchyroll app. 4. Using Crunchyroll without activation. Some devices like mobile phones, tablets, and web browsers do not require activation. Simply log in with your Crunchyroll credentials to start watching. 5. Supported devices for Crunchyroll activation. Crunchyroll is compatible with Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, Smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Android TV, etc. 6. Free versus premium account activation. A free Crunchyroll account allows activation but includes ads. Premium members can activate multiple devices and stream ad-free with additional perks. 7. Logging out and removing devices. To log out, go to the Crunchyroll app settings and select Sign Out. To remove a device, log into your Crunchyroll account on a web browser, navigate to Account Settings, then Devices, and disconnect unwanted devices. 8. Activation for multiple devices. Crunchyroll allows activation on multiple devices, but the number of simultaneous streams depends on your subscription plan. Premium members can stream on up to 6 devices at once. Activating Crunchyroll on streaming devices and consoles is a simple process that involves entering a unique code on the Crunchyroll website. If activation issues arise, restarting the app, updating the device, or reinstalling the app can help resolve them.